Good morning. I often think what makes a perfect day? How exactly I want to make my day perfect. I often encounter these thoughts. And trust me, I have tried enough number of times to achieve that Instagrammable aesthetic real life. But is it possible? Is it truly possible to be that desirable every time or to be that perfect as we show, as we see in social media? Obviously not. My perfect days has always been the Sundays. Fortunately, I still have the opportunity, or I can say the blessing, to be with my parents. And that is immensely wholesome. In our busy scheduled week, we often miss to feel abundant and find joy in little things which we always liked, which happens every day, but we fail to acknowledge them. Now, I have stopped forcing myself to be in situations where I don't feel I belong. Now, my 100% focus is on myself. I am less disturbed now. I avoid avoidable discussions, which I know is much peaceful to me. I avoid being with people whom I don't like, honestly. I started to live a more realistic life, and instead of changing everything in my life, I am now more focused on evolving my life. I can't change situation, but obviously I can accept them. I have so many things to feel grateful. Since I started taking breaks from hectic schedule and accepting myself exactly as I am, finding very little joy in everything around me, I feel simply happy and satisfied. I'm blessed with cute people around me. They never fail to make me happy, make me satisfied, make me joyful. I love their company. I love to be with them because they are there for me always. Now I choose myself above everyone, above everything, my happiness and my calmness. I hope you like my little video of how my realistic day looks like. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and click on the subscribe button so I can see you in the next video. Thank you.